Today we will learn about justice for ocean. Justice for ocean, how we can keep our oceans clean. Today we discuss how we can stop the water pollution, reduce your use of single-use plastic, recycle properly, participate in or organize a beach or river cleanup, support bans, avoid products containing microbeads, spread the word, support the organization addressing plastic pollutions. How can we protect the oceans from plastics? We can protect by reducing plastic in our homes, reducing using plastics in our homes, and because chemicals in the plastic make the water harmful to aquatic animals. This pollution results in damage to environment, to the health of all organisms, and to economic structure worldwide. If aquatic animals eat plastic, what will they face? Fish, seabirds, sea turtles, and marine mammals can become entangled in or digest plastic debris, causing suffocation, starvation, and drawing some starve after doing so, mistakenly believing they have eaten enough because their stomachs are full. Because if they eat plastic, they will die, because the chemical in the stomach will harm other acids in our stomachs. Definition for water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually or as a result of human activity. Water bodies include, for example, lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers, and groundwater. Water pollution results when the contaminants are introduced to natural environment. Means water pollution is a combination of water bodies, and there are examples like lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifer, and groundwater. Thank you. Bye bye. Please like.